James mewn I ganol y cae efo'r dafliad. Mlaen wedyn. Y cyfle I Ian Owen ar y foli a'r cyfle yn syth bin. Yn nythu I gornel ychyr hwy. Llai na 20 eiliad ar y cloc. Y dechrau delfrydol i'r tîm cartra. Clan Parsons yn gwneud yna. Thynnu sgwar. Yn y cyfle, yr gyd yn dod I mewn. Arbediad gan y golwr. Yn isel i'w dde. Ricard rwan yn brasgamu drwy'r canol. Neb yn gael lawr, mae heibio. Dau chwaraewr Lido Afan. Bas ymlaen wedyn I nhw a Daly. Daly yn y cwrt Cosby yr ergyd. Yr fflach ar draws wyneb y golwr I gefn yr hwyd. Clinigol dros ben gan brif sgoriwr Caerfyrddin. Dyson rhyddhau Gavin Jones y ras I mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Cyfle mael I Caerfyrddin. O, Dion Cenne. Arbediad o didog unwaith eto gan y golwr. Mae'n y gyfle rwan I wrth ymosod. Owen wedi cael un yn barod heno. A wedi cael ei ail. Medrith. Gwrth ymosodiad. O un pan y cae i'r llall. 2 funud cyn hanner amser. Mae'n gwrth ymosod. Ac I fewn eiliadau. Na Ian Owen wedi rwydau ail gol o'r noson. A'i 8fed o'r tymor. Daly, hwnna'n bas wych I Jones, cyffyrddiad da gan yr ymosodwr ar y post i'n pella. Mae Liam Thomas o dam dacl wych gan Jackson Hall. Mae Liam Thomas yn barod I baso hwnna I gefn yr hwyd. Fle rwan I ffigefnu. Fle ar yr gate. O, rhaid I ti ddilif hwnna. I ti'n meddwl bod ti'n mynd dros y traws ond Gwynt y chwaraeran. Hall mynd yn un yn gyrchol. Mae Cris di holli ddau am ddiffyn o'r canol. A mae codi'r bel yn gelfydd. Dros ben Itzi unwaith eto. Caerfyrddin yn cael ei cosbi am ddiffyn llac. O'r hen ben Liam McCreesh. 10fed gol o'r tymor iddo fo. McCreesh yn rhaid y pwys ymlaen. A dennill y meddiant mae Lido Afan. Fle ar draws. Y cwrt 6, y corridor ansicrwydd, mae'n gol drwy rwyd I hun gan Scott Hancock. Sbonach llwyr yn amddiffyn Caerfyrddin.
Evo, after 3 defeats, what a cracking start to that game.
Yeah, there was quality effort from our boys. We've worked hard for the last few weeks, got a couple of new signings in and they've gelled well and the training's been exceptional. We've gone to twice a week now just to get some fitness back into the lads again and showed out there tonight.
Collectively awful. We had a little spell first half where we played quite well I thought, but I think we were just sloppy at times. The goals we conceded were awful. I think we just got to take it on a chin and learn from it as a collective. As senior players, myself, Sims, I think we got to try and do more on the pitch to try and turn things round. But at the end of the day, it's football. We take it, we move on, and there's a game next week.
Ian, tîm di colli tair gêm cyn heno, ond gol chi, gol gynta na 35 eiliad?
Yeah, pêl just I dod I fi. Got the keeper off the line. I just meddwl, pam mai, to safety.
Ac o'ch chi'n meddwl sa'ch chi'n meddwl cael hat-trick yn yr ail hanner?
Coes I di mynd. Redig allan o stêm, ond yeah, perfformiad da i'r tîm, ond 3 point, wythnos nesaf, rar.
We work hard and sometimes the keeper's got to do his job and he's done it tonight exceptionally well for us as well. So and when we go down the other end we've got to be clinical and we have. And young Ian has come in tonight, been in and out the side the last couple of weeks due to games elsewhere etc. for the schools, and the boys come in tonight and been exceptional alongside our captain Griff.
It was awful from the start. You know, we've never kicked off like that all season unless we were home. We should go into the corner from the start. And yeah, it started bad, and we had a couple of good moments, but overall it's probably one of the worst games I was involved with.